Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you have admin rights on the Facebook page and the LinkedIn profile or company page you want to connect. Once you have access, open both sites in separate tabs and sign in, making sure two-factor authentication is ready. Now go to Facebook page settings, choose integrations or publishing tools, and select the option to add a social network. This first action establishes the permission bridge. It's necessary so Facebook can request authorization from LinkedIn next. Once Facebook prompts you to connect, click LinkedIn and follow the OAuth authorization flow. You'll be asked to approve specific permissions. Grant the minimum required: posting on behalf of a page and access to basic profile and organization permissions. After authorization, map which Facebook page posts should route to which LinkedIn page or personal profile, and set content options like link previews and visibility. Make sure to enable cross-posting for future posts. This step configures how posts are transformed and where they appear. Finish by creating a short test post on the Facebook page that includes a link and image so you can inspect formatting on LinkedIn. If the post looks off, tweak image aspect ratio, remove unsupported tags, or change text length and repost. If cross-posting fails, reauthorize the LinkedIn permission from Facebook, clear your browser cache, and verify admin roles. Most breakages come from revoked permissions or role mismatches, so re-granting access and confirming correct page mapping usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.